Hello and a warm welcome to the Process Mapping Masterclass, a practical guide for beginners. Have you ever stumbled upon an error in your business process and did not know exactly where the error occurred? Would you like to impress your management by showing them a consolidated view of their business process on one page and pinpointing what to specifically improve? Or would you like to astonish and amaze your interviewer by showcasing your talent of mapping an end-to-end business process? If your answer is yes to all three questions, then you have just stumbled upon the most complete, ultimate, in-depth Process Mapping Masterclass online program. My name is Ross and I am the trainer for this course. I am a certified Six Sigma Master Black Belt and a project management professional and have trained process maps to more than 10,000 professionals worldwide. This Process Mapping Masterclass is an important program for professionals seeking to get a process mapping specialization. This is the only course that covers all the details of creating process maps from beginner to intermediate level. By the end of this course, you will be able to generate your own crisp, clear, and easy to understand process flowcharts as well as Swimlane diagrams. This skill set is essential to be successful in the competitive market. The course is very well structured. The course length is over 2 hours. It is truly a masterclass. You become an expert in creating process maps and Swimlane diagrams. These concepts are explained in over 11 sections. Each section is dedicated to a specific process mapping concept. These concepts are taught in more than 95 lectures. Each lecture covers bite-sized information, easy to grasp and apply. Each lecture consists of a video screencast. Each section is well-rounded with a section objective, concept discussion, review of examples. This is followed by either an activity or a quiz. And each section ends with an apt summary. Each activity is supplemented with specific instructions. Each activity or homework has a subsequent video lecture discussing the activity solution for self-evaluation. The training presentation used in every lecture is provided as a downloadable PDF. Some students prefer to get a consolidated pack of training presentation. I have provided that too in the last lecture of this course. There are over 40 downloadable files. You are also taught to create process maps in softwares such as Draw.io. So you gain the expertise of this software. This course is designed for absolute beginners. Hence, if you are already aware of process maps, this course is probably not for you. Thanks for your interest in Process Mapping Masterclass. I hope you are as excited as I am. If you are ready to learn and sign up for the course, go ahead and hit that enroll button. See you in the course.